Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arts and Woods, and in this video we're discussing about dining set, a table and chair, and we have got a 10-seater dining set here that I'll explain about the details. I'll talk about the size, the design, the color, the fabric, everything. But before that, a few points that we need to consider when we are looking for a dining table or a dining set. In fact, the first point is the size part. The size could be 4-seater, 6-seater, 8-seater, 10-seater, 12-seater, and then bigger sets like 16-seater, 18-seater. We have made very big set also. And if you need extra chairs along with that, all these comes in the size. And this size is as per your requirement, because the space that you have, accordingly, the size is made. Then we have the choice part about the design of the table. The table can be rectangular like this, it can be oval, it can be round, or it can be some other shape, a little different shape that we have made earlier on the corners. It's a little curved or some curvaceous shape. These shapes are about the top or the table itself that we need to see. In a dining table, there are majorly two designs. As you can see in this one, it has got a leg. So it has got 4 legs on each side, one leg, and the pillar design. This is the major difference between any table. So you can go for pillar design or the legs design, and then the top part. Now this top, as you can see, is a plain top. Now this is ready for use. You can put a glass on it, you can put table mats, and you can use it. The set is ready. If you are looking for a glass on top, you can put a glass on top of it. So if you want transparent, you want to look under the table also, and you want it transparent, we can give you the side design only, and the glass can be fit right inside. If you want the marble, granite, onyx on top of it, accordingly the side strip works. And if you want carving, the entire unit, the top part, carving or inlay work, we also do that. So it depends on the design part of the table, how you want it. It's a very funny name. They call that round disc in the middle, lady something. I'm not recalling that. But the rotating discs you want in the middle, that we can provide you. The carving part, everything is as per the choice part, and these are the options. And then the chair part. Chair are basically 2 types. This one, as you can see, this is a regular chair without the handles. The chair with the handles is called master chair. Master chair or a king or queen chair, you can say. King chair, queen chair on that side. So if you want handle chair, that can be provided, and generally the other chairs are without handles. But if you want all chairs like this, just like this one, or you want all chairs with the handles, we can provide you the same. The only issue with the handle chair is, here you can see the chair is going right inside. The handle chair remains outside of the table. They cannot go easily inside, because the design is such that we have some design on underneath the top part, as you can see here. So the chair doesn't slide inside. This is one difference between the handle chair, the master chair, and the regular chair. Now about the design of the chair itself, there are 2 things in it. As you can see here, it has got the entire carving on the front. And similarly, we have got back carving. Back carving means this part. On this chair, you can see the entire back is carved. The chair majorly has this differences: with handle, without handle, and one side carving or dual carving, both sides carving. And in dining table, generally in the dining set, it's majorly visible from all the sides, because generally we have to move on all the sides. We are using it from this side. Even the server has to move all the sides to serve. So it's generally visible from all the sides, and that is why back carving looks really beautiful, really amazing. This is a 10-seater dining. The size of the table is 10 feet by 5 feet. This is 5 feet like this, 10 feet like this. A plain top teak wood table, teak wood chairs. And the color, as you can see, chocolate brown color with gold highlighting, as the client asked for. And the fabric, the cushion part, is with the leatherette, brown leatherette, again the client's choice. I'll come to the color part, I'll come to the fabric part also. First, let's discuss about the table itself. And here you can see the entire curvaceous design, the beautiful design of this table. And this design is all hand carved. This is not made by any machine. This is all human work. The drawing, the design, the carving, and then the paint part. The paint work is also done by artisans, the master painters, because this is Duco paint, and output is right here. The royal look, the designer look, the lavish look, the luxurious look that you're looking for in your dining table or your furniture, you are looking at right now. Talking about the chair, the back height is 4 feet. We have got a wide seating, and the height of the chair is 20 inches. It's a little curved. Generally, the dining chairs are not very comfortable. They're not very leaning or not very big, because it's a very short period. We are having food for 15-20 minutes, half an hour maximum. We are not sitting here for a long time, and the main reason is I'm sitting here. You can see my tummy, my stomach is flat. I'm sitting straight. When I'm leaning like this, I'm having food or I'm leaning at backwards, it creates extra pressure on the stomach. So this is the basic reason why dining chairs are kept simple and straighter. And you can see a wide sitting area is not very small, and the entire design of the chair you can see from here, all sides carving, and the design we have on the leg on the front, the curvaceous same curved leg on the back as well, and the Duco paint. Talking about the paint colors, in paint and polish, we majorly have two things: polish or paint. Polish is lacquer polish with the PU coating, or we also call PU polish, and then the Duco paint. Duco paint is similar to the paint that we have on cars. The same process, same kind of automotive paints we use in this one, and the colors are unlimited. Metallic gold and metallic colors and regular colors, the colors are unlimited. There's too many shades, so you can pick what you like. You can pick any shade card and can tell us that this is the color I want, and we can do that. In polish, we have got natural finish, a little darker, walnut, dark walnut, then cherry, mahogany. All these are different shades of polish. In Duco, there are millions of colors. Every company has got a different color, and if you want, you can also get your own color done if there is a particular requirement. And then gold, silver, antique gold, copper, rose gold, white, off-white, dual shade, triple shade, champagne, rust gold. There are so many colors that we have already done, and we have displayed that on YouTube, on different platforms, and whichever you like, we can do that for you. Coming to the fabric part, this is leatherette, as I mentioned. Not real leather, it's fall leather or vegan leather as they call. And if you want real leather, we are using that too. And the color is a very classic color, as you can see, and this has got so many options in the fabric. You want the fabric, the cloth type, the jute, the jacquard, and damask designs, polyester thing. There are so many options. You pick the color, you let us know you want something like this, and we do it accordingly. Even at the back, if you see, this is the quilting design, and in the quilting design we have got diamonds placed here. They are diamond design. You want without diamonds, you want buttons instead of it. How you want it, we do it like that only. The basic reason remains: choice wala furniture that we make. Choice means your choice, not ours. What you want. That is the main point. You tell us this is what I want, and that is what we will do and deliver it to your place. That is the main thing, and the safe delivery, because making this big unit is maybe easier here, but sending it out, packing it properly, transporting it to your place and safely, that is a big task. And we have been doing it for a long time, and for thousands of clients across the globe, not just India, but outside India also. 55 countries we have already delivered to. In 35 countries, we are a registered international trademark, and we are working across the globe, taking our art, handwork across the globe, decorating homes at factory price. That is the best thing. Best quality teak wood stuff, brand of arson, your choice, and factory price, safe delivery. What else is required? Check the testimonial section. You will find thousands of pictures there from across the globe, what people have selected, how they have decorated their homes, how the particular setup is looking in their place, because this is a standard setup. But when it goes to the real place, the actual place, the entire aura of the place gives it a different look altogether, because everything, the carpet, the chandeliers, the back wall, the lighting, everything does make a difference in the look. And here we have one unit that I am showing you, and hundreds of units I have shown you earlier. So the size part, design part, the top carving, without carving, and glass and marble, granite, though all these things like granite, marble, onyx, glass, mirrors, we don't provide generally in India, because they're fragile items. And the best part is you do get all these things at your place easily. Outside India, we do ship, because in a container it's very easy to ship and safe also. And outside India, it's really sometimes hard to get these things. So if you are out of India, we can provide you all these things. But in India, generally we prefer you buy it locally. But if you want us, we do that for nearby locations. We generally do that. So right here, a set for you. More on YouTube, on our website, on internet. You can pick anything. And even if you design something by AI, artificial intelligence, we are making those units too. We are making them real and delivering to your homes. A lot of interior designers, architects, they are coming up with very amazing ideas drawn on paper, on system, on computer and softwares, and we are converting those ideas to reality as per the client's requirement at factory price, delivery to your home. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.